and welcome back to my top 10 rooms. Yes. If you're new here, welcome. In this episode, we're going to talk about the kitchen. Yes, and all the good things that you need for your kitchen. Yes. So let's get busy interior designing our kitchens, shall we? I'll see you guys in a minute. Number 1, flooring. There's so many choices of flooring to choose from. Yes. What colors do you want your floor to be? Do you want them to be like multicolored, one color, different patterns, one pattern? There's just so many choices of flooring to choose from. The top 2 floors that you're going to see in the kitchen are tile and hardwood. But there's many options for each type of flooring out there. Yes. 4, you want it to be comfortable on your feet. Number 2, the cabinets. What style of cabinets do you want? Yes. Styles for any kitchen are endless. Do you want like multicolors? Do you want just plain one color cabinets for all the cabinets, lowers and uppers? Yes. Styles and choices are endless. And they must work with your budget too. And style. Yes. Cabinets. There's so many choices for cabinets. Number 3, storage solutions. This one goes with cabinets, of course. Do you want a pantry cabinet to store your canned goods in? Do you want an appliance garage? Or a few of those anyway. Yes. You want places to store things. So number 2 and number 3 kind of go together when it comes to storage in the kitchen. Number 4 is the countertop. Yes. You want a really good countertop. Because you're going to be cooking on this countertop and making food and making memories with your family while making food, of course. There's so many choices and so many different brands of countertops out there. There's different colors. You can mix and match the colors if you want to. You can leave it plain. There's just so many different types of countertops out there. Do you want a pattern? Do you want just something plain and simple? The choices are up to you. Number 5, the backsplash. Like the countertop, the backsplash is also something you can get creative with. Yes. There's so many opportunities for backsplash. Do you want a pattern? Do you want something plain and simple? Get creative. Yes. Get creative. The backsplash is just as important as countertop. They both go together hand in hand. Yes. So, in the next clip, I will talk about the 5 different appliances that you are going to need for your kitchen. So, see you guys in a minute. Number 6, the refrigerator. Refrigerators come in all styles and colors, and functions too. You want to be able to keep your food cold. There's all kinds of different types of fridges out there. Yes. Refrigerators. That will keep your food cold. So, depending on your budget, what will you get? Yes. Refrigerators are very important. Like I said, colors, styles, that all matters. Number 7. Cooktop or stovetop? Yes. Both of these are very important to help you cook the food. Yes. Now, a stovetop is a stove with an oven underneath it, whereas a cooktop has no oven underneath that cooktop. These also come in different colors, functionalities, styles. Yes. It's very important to choose the right one that suits your needs. And you want to get a vent hood too. A little bonus tip for you there. Yes. Number 8. Double ovens. These are just as important as the stovetop or cooktop. These also come in different colors, styles, and functionalities. Do you want it to be up and down or side by side? It's all up to you. These also come in different colors, functionalities. Yes, and styles too. Different brands out there. Yes. So choose what suits your needs and fits in your budget. Number 9, the microwave. Yes, microwaves are just as important as double ovens, cooktops, stovetops. Yeah, it's just another way to cook your food. Whether that be popping popcorn or cooking a sandwich or heating up a sandwich or heating up leftovers. Yes. And microwaves come in all different styles, colors, and functionalities too. Yes. Microwaves. Very important appliance. Just like the others on this list. And at number 10, the dishwasher. When you're done cooking, you can throw your pots and pans in the dishwasher. Or after you're done eating, you can put your plates, utensils, all that kind of good stuff. In the dishwasher, if you don't feel like washing your dishes by hand. Yes. Well, dishwashers. It's like another important thing you should have in your kitchen. All these appliances are what you should have in your kitchen. Especially if you're going to have your dream kitchen. Yes. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's list. I'll see you guys in a minute to wrap up this video. In today's episode of my top 10 rooms kitchens, we went over designing and the appliances that you need. Yes. And if there's anything that I forgot, please leave it in the comments or on my Instagram or on my Facebook page. Yes. Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of my top 10 rooms kitchens. In next week's episode, we're going to go over the top 10 things that you're going to find in your bathroom. So, please hit that notification button so you never miss another video from yours truly. And I'll see you guys on the next episode of my top 10 rooms. See you guys then. Bye. everyone's having a fantastic week. If you're new here, welcome. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from yours truly. In today's episode of my top 10 rooms, we're going to focus on the bathroom. Yes. Bathrooms are another important room in your house. So, without further ado, let's get busy, shall we? I'll see you guys in a minute with the first of the top 10. First 5 spots on the top 10. So, I'll see you guys in a minute. Number 1. Design your bathroom the way you want it to look and feel, and choose all your designs that are within your budget. Yes. You want to design your bathrooms the way you want them to look. After all, you want them to be special to you in your home. And like I said, kitchens and baths sell houses. Number 2, the principal bathroom can be found in the principal suite. Or it's also called primary suite. Yes. So the primary bathroom, it can have like double sinks, separate tub and shower, a toilet. Yeah. All the good fixtures that you can find in any bathroom, let alone the primary bathroom. And get creative with your primary bathroom. Yes. It's your dream primary bathroom after all. Yes. Number 3, the main bath. The main bathroom is, well, just that. Yes. It can be either the main or the family bath. Yes. For your family, or, all that kind of good stuff. Or if you're entertaining, you don't want anybody to see the principal bath or primary bath, go to the main bathroom. Yes. This type of bathroom will have like a tub shower combo, a toilet, a sink that's either on a cabinet or a pedestal sink. Like I said, the possibilities are endless for designs. So design your main bathroom how you want it to look. No matter what house you have. Number 4, the guest bathroom. Now, the guest bathroom is just for guests. And like the main bathroom, you can also have like a tub shower combo, a toilet, and a sink with a cabinet, or a pedestal sink. Yeah. But you want those bathrooms to have maybe a theme or a certain color. Maybe you want them to be unique or different from each other. Like I said, the possibilities are endless. Number 5, the half bath. Half baths are just that. Now, they're also called powder rooms. But a lot of people just like to say half bath because they have just a sink and a toilet. But like I said with all the other bathrooms above, get creative. What's your style? What's your budget? Yes. What kind of flooring? What kind of wall treatments do you want? What kind of fixtures? Finishes? All that kind of good stuff. Yes. So, in the next part of the countdown, we're going to go over some of the bathroom features that you're going to find in all these bathrooms. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Coming in at number 6, the bathtub. Bathtubs come in so many different shapes and sizes these days. Now, do you want a standalone tub? Do you want a tub that has a tub surround? Like I said, the possibilities are endless. Yes. So choose your bathtub. Yes. You want to be able to enjoy your bathtub. Yes. Number 7, a shower. Do you want a shower stall? Do you want your shower to be with your tub? Like I said, the possibilities are endless. Do you want tiles in your shower? Do you want like some sort of stone in your shower? Yes. Shower. Some people like a standalone shower. Some people, don't have the option to have like a separate shower from their tub. But like I said, the possibilities are endless when it comes to showers too. Yes. Number 8, a sink. A bathroom sink comes in so many different styles, shapes, colors, and you can choose your fixtures. Yes. There's so many types of sinks out there. And let's not forget the taps that you can choose to go with them. Yes. There's so many different types of sinks out there. There's pedestal sinks. There's above the counter sinks. There's in the counter sinks. There's just so many types of bathroom sinks out there that you can choose from. Yes. Number 9, storage. You need somewhere to put your towels and face cloths. And all the other stuff that goes in the bathroom too. Yes. Storage is very important for storing towels and face cloths and toothbrushes and all that kind of good stuff. Yes. Having great storage is awesome for a bathroom. Yes. You can choose from different styles and colors. Whatever, suits your needs. And is within your budget. And finally, at number 10, we have the finishing touches. Which is the flooring, the wall finishings, or the paint color. Yes. And pick out a good toilet too. But when it comes to finishings, like countertops, backsplash, flooring, yes, all the good stuff that you need to finish your bathroom and make it look fantastic. Lighting too is another one. Yes. And whether you have a shower curtain or a window covering, you want your bathroom to feel great. And feel free to put some decor in there too. Yes. All these things are very important to make a great bathroom work. Yes. Yes. Like I said, bathrooms and kitchens sell houses. So make your bathrooms look special. Yes. I'll see you guys in a minute for this video. Well, I hope everybody has enjoyed this week's episode of Top 10 Bathrooms. In this episode, we focused on the different types of bathrooms that you can find in your home. Yes. And went over all the design features that you need for your bathroom. So good luck with your interior designs when it comes to bathrooms. Yes. Make them look pretty. Make them look great. within your budget, of course. Yes. So my advice to you is this. When it comes to your bathroom, make it look dreamy. Yes. You want it to feel comfortable and inviting to everyone in your family or friends, whoever comes over to your house, right? Yes. So, in next week's episode, we're going to look at dining rooms. So, until then, please like and subscribe. And turn on those notification bells so that you never miss another video from yours truly. And I'll see you guys on Saturday. And I'll see you guys in the next episode of Top 10 Rooms next Wednesday. So until then, so long. Bye.